Hello and welcome back to the channel. Um, I have a couple of jobs to do. They're not really issues, they're just how-tos maybe. So the first one, I'm gonna change the SSD on this laptop. This is one of my personal laptops. It's an Asus GL552V. This is working really well. I had it for about almost 10 years now. It's very good, but the SSD is still the original SSD. So I've bought an SSD from Scan Computers, and I've done a clone of what's inside the laptop. Hopefully it will work. It's a Windows 10, so we'll see. I'm not going to show you how I've done the clone. I think that is probably something for a different video. But what I wanted to show is that, so I have this SSD adapter, which is specifically for this kind of SSD. So this is a USB to SATA adapter, and I have from a friend of mine. This is an NVMe SSD enclosure, which, funny enough, so this doesn't work in here, and an NVMe doesn't work in this one because me and my friend switched them, and we couldn't read each other's SSD drives. So this is just going to be a swap. So from we're gonna take out the one inside the laptop. I'm gonna put this one in here, and hopefully everything is going to work. So let's start. So first of all, I am going to take out the battery. So the battery has, because it's such a nice laptop, and they used to be, I mean, it's the old way of doing it. So you have a detachable battery. So I'm gonna take out, so we have these two slides, and we have taken the battery out. Easy, right? Very easy. Right, I'm gonna put this aside, and now we have to start taking out all the screws from the back cover. So let's hope we're not. Let's take first this service cover, where here I forgot, I think I've opened this a while ago, and they are different in size, which is annoying. This screw also holds the DVD drive. They're in different sizes, so be careful. So let me turn this around so you can see. So this laptop comes with an SSD and a normal hard drive. So I've changed the hard drive a while ago because it was starting to make noises, and I was a little bit afraid. So on the SSD you have the OS, so the operating system, and on the hard drive I have lots of data, which I back up regularly, but yeah. And then I have two memories, two 16 gigabytes memories. I think they're 4 if I remember exactly. Served me well. When I bought this laptop, I wanted to do photography, so yeah. It is what it is. Sometimes some things work out, some don't. So the original SSD is a 128 gigabytes SanDisk. I bought the only one that I could find that would be similar. So it's a 250 gigabyte Western Digital Blue M2 drive. 2280. I don't know if you can see it here clearly. 2280. On this one, when we're gonna remove it right now, it's gonna say 2280 as well. I like how easy it is to have access to the cover, to the drive. You don't have to take everything out, which is amazing. But on the other hand, yes, if you want to get to the fans and if you want to clean it, you have to take out all of this, and yeah, it's a monster. So let's open this, take out the drive. So this is 228, so M2 228, the original one. This one is an M2 228, so that's why I bought it. Yes, I could have bought it to be bigger probably, but in the end I went for the to be as compatible as possible with everything. So yeah, they're both 3.3 volts and 0. Oh no, this is 2 amps. This is 0.8 amp. Hopefully we won't have any issues. The idea is that this laptop is going to go to my daughter after this change. So yeah. So let me take out the screw from the adapter as well. So the way to do it, place it in, yeah, like this. So you place it in like this, at an angle, you push it in, and then we're gonna put the screw back in to hold it in place. And hopefully the clone part worked and everything is going to work like a charm from the beginning, which is probably not correct, but yeah. Cover. And then screws. So this screw was here. And this screw was here. Okay. Battery back in. Now I'm hoping that everything is okay and I don't have to do anything. So I'll turn it on. Let's see. So I will turn it on and then press F2 to go into the BIOS and see if... So we have light, which is good. Now I'm pressing F2 to go into the BIOS. It stopped, so now it's rebooting. and we have light. Yes. So we got into the BIOS, sorry. So now boot option, boot manager, and it's not seeing the drive. Which is very annoying. USB configuration, let's see, yeah, graphics, secure boot control, exit without saving. We'll try again, let's see if it's going to boot or not. It's showing that it's loading. I don't know if you can see the screen, which is good. And it's in Windows, which is fantastic. So the cloning worked. I'm not going to show you my password. So thank you for watching. If you like this type of video, short, showing just one thing, let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments also if you would like to see how the cloning is done. I've used a free software to do that, so hopefully you will enjoy that too. So let me know in the comments, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.